road safety awareness campaign continues to unfold from the bustling streets of Delhi to the vibrant state of Gujarat. Imparting education to children on road safety remains paramount. Envalior presents Street Smarties in association with ETAuto is now in Gujarat, spreading awareness one school at a time.
आपको सड़क पे किस चीज से सुरक्षा की जरूरत है?
We are imparting road safety awareness among the students in this region, and our plant is also located in Jagadia, very close to the school. By investing in education, we are investing in safer communities for the generations to come.
Educating school children on road safety is not just about the rules, it is about shaping responsible citizens.
Through the workshops conducted in schools, facilitated once again by dedicated partners at Ecoinch, we aim to equip students with the knowledge necessary to navigate these roads safely.
આજે હું તમને સડક સુરક્ષા વિશે એક વાત કહીશ. બસ સ્ટેશન પર હંમેશા ધીરજ રાખવું જોઈએ અને ટ્રાફિક સિગ્નલોનું પાલન કરવું જોઈએ.
ફાયર બ્રિગેડ અને એમ્બ્યુલન્સ સામે સામે હોય તો આપણે ફાયર બ્રિગેડને પહેલા જવા દેવું જોઈએ.
सुरक्षित होकर काम कीजिए, जीवन को आनंद दीजिए.
वाहन धीमे चलाए, अपना कीमती जीवन बचाए.
As we conclude our activities here in Gujarat, we are thrilled by the enthusiasm and dedication displayed by the students and volunteers alike. Join us as we embark the next leg of our campaign, bringing Street Smarties to communities far and wide.